Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can use tools like Claude to create interactive dashboards. What's funny is that I used to spend hours building these dashboards from scratch, but then I discovered something pretty cool. You can actually get Claude to do all this heavy lifting for you. And today I'm going to show you how. I create interactive dashboards in minutes and then move it to, say, a Google Sheet, or you can even move it to an Excel file. So we will start with Claude, go on to Claude. It's better to have a paid account so that you do not have limits on the messages. Now, if you haven't already, make sure the artifacts are enabled into your account. And how you can do that? Go to the bottom left corner on your account here, and once you go there you see your initials. Click there, click on settings, and click on your profile. Make sure that here, as you can see, the artifacts are enabled. By the way, there is a lot more that you can do in your Claude profile now. Example, you can add your profile, what you do, and you can add your communication preference and so on. Cool. So now let's go back to our chat interface. For this demo, I am going to use NVIDIA's financial report as an example, but you can use this for any type of data really, marketing, sales, metrics, whatever you need. So I have uploaded here the NVIDIA's financial report. Prompt something like, I would like to create an interactive financial dashboard for NVIDIA using the latest annual report data, and then I will tell in simple words what I want. So here, I want a line chart showing the revenue trends. I want a pie chart showing revenue distribution across different segments. I need a bar chart showing gross margin trends, and a summary section with key metrics. Simple, right? Now, I would just add this line, like these two keywords. Please use React and Recharts to create this visualization. And how the dashboard should look like. It should be responsive, use tooltip, clean and professional color scheme, and show data in billion of dollars, and include proper formatting. Now, if you're not aware of what React and Recharts are, I'll just give a brief description. React components are the building blocks for creating these interactive interfaces. You can think of them like Lego blocks, wherein you can combine different pieces and create something fancy. And recharts are nothing. These are like your charting libraries that works with React to create various charts. It's not really necessary in the prompt to give this, but what I have realized is if I provide this information to Claude that use React and Rechart, it makes my life really easy and the number of iterations are far less. Okay, so we have given our prompt and here you go. Fantastic. Now, as you see, Claude has created a complete dashboard using React, and you absolutely do not have to worry if you're not a coder. And that's the whole point. You just need to understand what you want, explain it to Claude in a very simple language. No technical stuff needed. And see, here, look what we got. We got this nice revenue line chart, a pie chart, a margin trends down here. And as you can see, everything is interactive. If I hover over this chart anywhere, it gives me the data points and so on. And it's all built in, so I really don't have to do any extra work. Now, this is one part of it. So what happens if you want to include, say, some of your own data to this dashboard? Simple. Let's tell Claude to do that. So let's just add this in our prompt. Hey Claude, can you add the ability to upload my own data? Fantastic. Now you see this button here. You can basically drag in your own CSV or Excel files, and that's it. The dashboard updates automatically. Let's move on. Okay, this is all fantastic. You have the option to share these artifacts as it is from Claude. All you have to do is just publish them and share the link. But we know that in corporate settings, you need to use either PowerPoint or Google, and that's what is preferred mode of communication. So what to do in that scenario? Let's say your team lives in Google Sheets, right? All I did here is I asked Claude to give me a code that I can copy paste this exact same dashboard. I just take this code now, go to my Google Sheets, just delete everything what's here in the app script, paste my code, and now all I need to do is save it, deploy it, and that's it. Now when I go to my Google Sheets, as you can see, it's all here. Fantastic, right? As you see, it comes with the data. So let's say if you think something is not clear, just change the data. And that's all you need to do. You can even repurpose this for some other reports, which are in the similar format, and you love the graphs. So you do not have to redo this again and again. Now, before we wrap up, here are some quick tips that I have learned during my experiments with Claude. If you want different colors, just ask Claude to match your brand. Different metrics, again, just simply ask it. All you have to do is ask it in a very simple, precise language, whatever you want, and keep adding that in your prompt. Sometimes it so happens Claude gets confused and it starts saying something like, oh, I cannot generate artifacts. Don't worry, you just have to do two things here. First, make sure that the artifacts are enabled in your Claude account. And second, you have to make sure that you also remind Claude. So what I do is I tell Claude, no, you can generate artifacts, please try again, and always start in a new chat window. That helps. So today we have learned that how easy it is to create these interactive fancy dashboards using AI. You can make them as interactive, as editable as possible, all without writing a single line of code and in just under 15-20 minutes. That's it for today. And drop a comment if you have any questions. I would love to see what kind of dashboards you create with this. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more